Your Holiness, I'm from Afghanistan, and I am sure
Afghanistan.
Yes, and I'm sure that you know how long we have been struggling. So we have a question for you. How can we hold on to the courage to hope when the endlessness of our struggles makes life begin to seem pointless?
Karsa. Most of the problem which 7 billion human beings face, many problems due to nature disaster. That's beyond our control. Even God cannot control. As a Buddhist, you see, Buddha already made very clear, you see, all these things due to your own karma, beyond Buddha's sort of control. He made very clear. So the last, I think 3 days ago, you see one Indonesian who really suffered the tsunami and earthquake. So one person used to express when the tsunami that was wiped out his own home, and he only think God, 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 God. So as a believer of Creator, there's no other way just to remember God. So actually God helpless. One my the friend, one Indian, who really believed, you see, Creator. So he very sincerely asked me, whole world created by God. And then among his creation, there are a number of mischievous people. Why God created that? Then my answer, say, I mentioned, since God creates heaven and hell, so there must be someone who go to hell. Then fortunately, he did not question further. If he further questioned, then why God create hell? Then difficult to say. So, Karsa, so you see, so Indian tradition, not God, not Buddha, but our own karma. Karma means action. All experiences come from our action. If you carry good action, serving other, bring some happiness to other, that's good action, good karma. Any action which creates anxiety, other, suffering, other, that's bad karma. So emphasis not on God, but emphasis on one's own way of life. So the method, different, but goal, same goal. So then, on that basis, religious harmony, very possible. And I never state Buddhism is best religion. I never state. Like medicine, we cannot say one medicine, this medicine is best medicine. We cannot say. Only judging the patient's illness and including age and many factors, you see, judging these things, then the doctors say, your case, this medicine is best. So similarly, among, I think, out of 7 billion, 1 billion non-believer, other 6 billion supposed believer, but a lot of mischievous believer also there. So among these 6 billion supposed believer, you see different mental disposition. So therefore, according different people's different mental, because of the disposition, because of you need different way of approach. So these different religious traditions come. Among Buddhists, these Nalanda master, you see, these are scholars of Nalanda master. You see, there are all these are follower of same Buddha and student of Sanskrit tradition, Nalanda tradition. But within that, a lot of differences. So they argue. Some take interpretation, something. Like some, you see, sort of also the interpretation, something different. So therefore, that is very useful, very necessary. So variety of religion is very helpful. So I never state Buddhism is the best religion. And when I visit Western country, I never propagate Buddhism like that. So, mutual respect among the religion. So we sort of also believe all major religious traditions carry the same message. It's useful for humanity over, I think, at least 2,000, 3,000 years. So in future also, at least, I think next several centuries, these religious tradition will remain. So therefore, we must respect each other. Next question.